Hi, I'm Josh. Let's build a tandoor. These are the items you'll need for this build. Using a hole cutter, cut out a hole in the centre of the bin. Place the pot on a suitable surface and drill holes in and around the centre. Place the drilled pot on the saucer. Mark the position of the holes, then drill matching holes in the saucer. Mark a line around the bottom of your other pot and saw around the edges until they separate. Place the debris tray and blocks where you want your tandoor located. Place the bin on top and make sure you have enough room to remove the tray. Place 3 blocks in the base of the bin. Make sure they are touching and do not cover the hole. Add a handful of stones level to the blocks to stop them moving around. Place the saucer in the centre of the blocks, ensuring the centre hole is over the cutout. Place the first flower pot on top of the saucer and align the holes. Fill the sides with insulation to hold steady and add some fire cement around the top. Place your last pot upside down and fill the outside with more insulation and tap the sides gently to settle. Smooth off any excess cement inside for a neat finish. Follow the full build and priming instructions on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.